What if you look in the mirror and you don't see your reflection? What would you do? Yeah, suppose you bathe in the morning and you dry off and go in front of the mirror. And when you look, you don't see your reflection. You're seeing the other things. Yeah, man, you see everything behind you and every other things where you normally see. But you're not seeing your own reflection. What would you think? What would you do? Well, in my preference, what I would do, I go in the mirror, see? I bathe and go in the mirror to go look for my ugly face or whatsoever. And then me look so I can't see myself. The first thing I would do, I would call someone. I would call someone and say, hey, come look for this. You know, me I look in the mirror but me not see my reflection. And if the person come and look and me realize I'm seeing their reflection and still yet they're not seeing mine, that's when my eyebrow I go rise. And I go wonder say, yo, no man. Yo, me not even know what more than think. I asked a few persons about this before and none of them could give me one good analogy what they would do. So my people them I say, boy, me don't think me dead. That they say no, so they don't think they dead. And and then spirit are looking at a mirror and can't see themselves. And next person saying things say, boy, the mirror, something would have wrong with the mirror. Some play around, somebody play the mirror. So me I say, how could it be a play around if you call somebody and them a look and you seen their reflection but not seeing yours, or they're not seeing yours? Them I say, well, me don't know, probably more than say me dead too. That the person I say, and me I say, well, me do think me dead still, But I would be blank, speechless, because, when you look in a mirror, you normally see yourself. So I wouldn't know what to think. You normally see a reflection when you look in the mirror. So that would be weird out of this world. But the thing is, to be honest with you, me say that to bring something come cross on the table. A lot of us, we look in the mirror and yes, we see our reflection, but we don't see what we need to. And for all these persons we are grown and a kill off a young girl, them and I do some things where is unnecessary in others' eyes. Me no know how necessary enough for them, But what me I say to me, it's unnecessary. So when they look in a mirror and see their reflection, what come to their thought? And also person that is searching for God or searching for some higher being than their self, Elder Wagalang. Yeah man, me there, you good? They're nice so still. Oh. Boy, I first meet you were there, nice. Yeah man. So yeah, for people searching for a higher nirvana or searching for God, when you look in the mirror, Zin, don't you see the reflection of God? Because we always try look for God outside of us, not knowing that all of us are God, I'm God, you're God. And every other thing is God, because what's the definition for God? Something that creates, right? You never create nothing before. All of us are creators. Yo, my boss. All of we are creator, man, and all of we come together and make this possible. See? We make God. And we give the impression that there is some God, Remember, say if one man never make one story, say some being or some stupidness about the sky and invisible man. Nobody wouldn't be saying that. But we are all gods, and that's as far as we know. So yeah, from this video you have to try and remember, each time you look in the mirror, you're looking at God. See? So if you want to be a God that when you go look in a mirror, you remember, say, yo, you raped that girl there, or you kill some people cross over there, so, and you don't feel no way inside then, you do what you want to do, but me know say, me not dey on that line there, you see me? Yeah man, so just know say, yo, we are all God, and thank you for watching, who is watching, and share this video, like, comment and subscribe, because I will be having a lot more video like this coming out. And if you want to see anything for yourself, you can comment and say, yo, you know, someone that want to hear you talk something pertaining to this, and I would definitely do it. See? Alright, so share.